Ba ruwel do sembut menteri rangba ulai thu apo khiyeng dorbar mata kesengi ba sarkar ka bot bet ya ka jimpatha ke election commission jongkari India bat kada perking ba ka por ba pendrung ye ki breu khamtam ki ba ramar jela kum ki nong thep vote jong ka jela uba ruwel ulai thu ya kini ha ba jubab ya ka jingli balawan ra do Dr. Jemino Mautho MLA jong ka nong thmai constituency shosho uba ruwel ulong ba haman na ki kirdan ki don ki officer balabatha ba ba kinda pet ya ki kot sla bat ki waipat ki saki ha ka por ba pendrung kerteng nong thep vote ya ki breu ki ba ramar jela khnang ba ki breu ki bomdei ki nong India ki num yo rung ha po ka thup ki nong thep vote ulai thu ru ba ki nong India la ra ki sa ha ka jela meglea henry bunaim ki la ban nong ki nong thep vote jong ka jela Haswa jongkani u Dr. Jemino ulakili yak sarkar bahato ka rabot perkheng ne em ya ki kendon haba ka pendrung kerteng nong thep vote ne ka shusha bet kat ki bala ban pinbiang ya ki kot islam
to ensure that illegal immigrants or dubious voters do not get enrolled in the electoral roll of the state, sir.
Sir, surely the state of Meghalaya has been exercising very minutely, very firmly. That's why there's always a free, controversial enrollment in the electoral roll. And all the voter list which has been published, and including the photo identity card, has been issued to them, and is all through various elections in the state of Meghalaya, there's no controversy at all regarding those.
As far as the procurement of these documents are concerned, because in the Deputy Commissioner's office, now you can see a beeline of people queuing up for getting enrollment. And they've been asked to produce documents like a PAN card, ration card, or driving license, electricity, phone bills. We know very sure, sir, that some of these documents also can be obtained fraudulently. And there's a concern by the genuine non-tribals in the state, saying that for us who has been staying here for a long period of time, we are denied of some of the facilities that we should be enjoying here in the state, whereas those who come just yesterday, somehow they're able to obtain these documents and get themselves enrolled. So this is also a matter of concern, sir, and I just wanted to know whether the government is taking the matter seriously to see that this kind of obtaining these documents should not be entertained by the election department, sir.
To the ERO, so that he could verify properly, and therefore it's required as instructed by the Election Commission also. Therefore, not only based on those documents, but the ERO has to exercise also with various laws of the land and before he enroll in the electoral rolls. So therefore the state election machinery is exercising all from every angle. They have been looking upon this, and therefore before they enroll in the electoral roll, the ERO is to satisfy himself with the proceeding of the consideration of the before the enroll in the electoral roll. So all the facts is to be taken into consideration, and based on the various laws of the land, like the electoral registration rules and other act of the which have been following all these years is being done, and extra exercise as the honourable member wanted, the EROs and also the deputy commissioners of every district, they are seriously examining all those facts before they enroll in the electoral roll. So I think we should not anticipate that the dubious, as the questioner has put, that dubious voters should not be enrolled. And as I have already said that even the electoral roll has been given to the political parties and all, so that they could identify if anybody, any doubt on anybody, they can file objection for deletion or for enrollment addition.
Kawai na kini ki motion ka de halol ka jing kham ya ka nong ba shlong kham tam ka jing sakut kali ka barak ta shibun ya upat ba ya ka ne ka motion lawara do Dr. Jamino Mautho MLA jong nong thmai u Dr. Mautho habang ra ya ka ne ka motion ulong ba ka long ka por ka ba shibun ya ki pat ba banya nong ba shlong namar ka jing sakut kali kham ta ma ki por long school bat ki por long train hadin bala batai ya ki babon ki jing e MLA ka nong thmai ula ajimut ya sarkar ba kan shimkhya ya ka ne ka kam da ka ba thau no ya ki jaka yo ha ki benda jong ka moblei opposition long bat moyong khnang ba ki kali bawan na nong kndong kinumyo wan rung shasor ka bawan ra ya ka jing kham ya ka ne ka motion la krishan ru da u James ke sangma uba emba single bat uba pol lingdo ha ka ba makiru kilapin pau ya ka jing songkhya ya ka jing lang kham ya kanong ba shlong kat banami singi.
Problems will be there, no doubt, but there also has to be solutions, sir. We should not say that we have reached the end of the road and that this problem is universal. If we say this, it means we are trying to subvert the crisis, dilute the crisis, and what is required at this juncture is to link it with long-term and short-term plan. So we need to exercise our mind, because if we don't have a plan, means we don't have a perspective, and if there's no perspective, means there's no vision and no agenda for action. So I salute the traffic branch and the police department for the commendable work. Despite the limitations, police have been working very hard to regulate traffic in and around Shillong city, sir. Besides the additional duties, besides the normal duties that they have, they're always engaged in other duties, VVIP, VIP programs, concerts, functions, church rallies, crusades, wedding, funerals, and so on and so forth, sir. So I have these statistics with me. I think in the year 2009, on any given day, there will be more than 1 lakh vehicles plying through the heart of the city of Shillong. More than 1 lakh vehicles plying through the heart of the city of Shillong. The registered vehicles in East Khasi Hills at that point of time, that was in 2010, is 76,636. So if you look at the ratio of traffic policeman vis-a-vis vehicles, we will have 1 policeman vis-a-vis 461 vehicles.
Hang ne singi ka liang persya kala wan ra ya ka no confidence motion ne ka jing terwa bom senya su ya ulampang jong ka yeng dorbar thawan u iti mandal u bolong ulampang jong ka yeng dorbar bara sa jir klem dan nang yele persya ya ka ne ka jing terwa bom senya su ya ulampang ka yeng dorbar lasoi da samut ki MLA ka liang persya u James K Sangma u ba Witing Mosor u John Leslie Sangma but u Dr. Jamino Mautho u James Sangma oleh tu baya ka ne jing terwa bom senya su ya ulampang kabalong ka jing terwa ka ba jukam jakhot ka di namar ba ulampang la bantrai kampha namar ba kapor ban penlong ya ka dorbaru kalong ka balingkon nangta ki don ki poru hakaba ule siliang khmat bat ki dokhot ka liang persya kimyo alat ban ya simenta hak jingeta ya poi yang dorbar